At about halfway through the video, you'll see this really amazing lightning bug. It was so cool to experience, and I actually have pictures on my Facebook page, so I screenshotted them. It's at LAAF, Healing with the Angels, and I use nature to help me feel better. And so if you want to follow me for more tips and tricks on how to feel a little bit better, then follow me there, subscribe to my page. I was having pain today, and this was a great distraction. I made the excitement bigger than my pain.